Yeah. And so after you contextualize, uh, you want to textualize, what other parts of the text, right, would would serve as evidence for the argument that you were making for that specific passage. You want to theorize an argument, what's your thesis here? And then blueprint and analysis. So then you would say, these would be uh, the moves after establishing a context, the text that the textual elements you're going to use, and the thesis that you're going to pursue. Then you have a few sentences about what needs to be analyzed, right, and try to show the analysis very briefly. And after you do that, 250 words or so, write a critical title and uh, put it at the beginning of the sample. Okay, your 250 word sample. So give it a try. See how you do it. Right, it's a sort of our first attempt at this. I've given you reading notes here just so you can see it sort of in a nutshell. What's going on in book one in a keyword type way. We'll look at the text in a second. Um, so page 5 and page 7, he's talking about the idea of the overman, overhuman, and also this metaphor of the bridge. And that goes into this idea of the last human, right? So the overman, the overhuman is his positive idea, right? That's what he thinks humans can attain, or certain humans at least. And the last human is what he sees as, contemporary humanity. It's people that have basically, given up. They live a very nice modern life and stuff, but they're basically a type of zombie, right? They, go to work, do their job, have kids and all that kind of things, and he sees this as a pretty boring life, right? So he sees modern life as modern existence as in a negative way. And then, you have more things here. And this is where we're going to go tightrope walker, right? And then after that, these are some other sort of breakdowns here. So I tried to, sort of create, just give you some sort of chapter headings, more or less, that might, help you unpile the text. So this is the text. So just very quickly, the prologue scenes, right? I've highlighted some elements here you might want to look at. And so this is leading us up to page 11. It's Zarathustra with his first speeches, right? And it gets us to episode 6 here on page 11, the tightrope walker, which this is what you want to look at. And this is what you want to analyze and cite first of all.